Dai James, collier, 41 years of age, married with 4 children. At work 1,200 feet below ground at the coalface of a Rhondda pit. A few yards along this 5-foot seam, his workmate Jim Hopkins, 31, married with 2 children. 2 colliers then, 2 of the 7,000-odd mine workers employed today in the Rhondda valleys. Even with the mechanical aid of pneumatic pick and belt conveyor, it's still hard graft. It's a dirty job. It's dark. It can be dangerous. To do the work needs skill and strength. To do it daily needs quick wits and a rough-tongued philosophy and a rude, ready humor, often as dry as the pit dust itself. As they work below, or as they tramp back a mile or so along the tunneled roadway to pit bottom at the end of shift, these men are the present heirs of an ancient order that's lasted for a century and a half, a democracy of work shared by generation after generation under the earth. This is their story and the story of Rhondda, and in its essentials, it's the story of all the valleys in the coalfield of South Wales.